Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory. On today's video, I'm super excited to share with you this a game changer hair mask that can instantly repair your damaged hair, whether you are dealing with split end, frizz hair or breakage. This DIY miracle hair mask will save your hair and also grow your hair super fast and also keep your hair super moisturized. And the best part of it, this DIY hair mask is easy to make and also easy to use. And another thing, the ingredients are easy to find. You already have them at home. So if this video sound like what are interesting, please keep on watching and watch this video to the end. My first ingredient is okra. I've already washed my okra, so it's very important to wash it before you start dicing it. Okra is rich in minerals and vitamins A, C, and K. It also contains calcium and potassium, and also have a lot of nutrients that are amazing for your hair growth. Okra is also amazing at moisturizing a dry scalp. It also adds moisture to your hair, strengthen your hair, and promote faster hair growth. So after dicing my okra, this is what I got so far. This amount of okra I have so far. Feel free to increase your okra measurement, okay? So I bring my pot and transfer my okra into the pot. Next thing now, I'll add in little water on it. I'm going to boil this off camera. I'll boil it only about 5 minutes, okay? So this is how it look like. So once I boil it for 5 minutes, I will remove it from fire, allow it to cool down. After allowing it to cool down, this is how it look like. So next thing, I bring my blender cup to transfer my okra into the blender for blending process. Keep on watching. My next ingredient is banana. So I'm going to make use of this 4 pieces of banana. So if your hair is longer than mine or thicker than mine, you can increase your ingredients, okay? But if your hair is like my own, use exactly this measurement. Or if your hair is shorter than mine, reduce the ingredients so that you're not going to waste the product, okay? Banana helps reduce dandruff, also help to repair damaged hair, nourish the scalp, and leave the hair looking healthy and luxurious, and also help to moisturize your hair, promote longer hair growth, and also keep your hair healthier, okay, and strengthen your hair. So after peeling off my banana and cutting them into a small sizable, I'm going to cover it and blend it off camera. So after blending the banana off camera, this is what I got so far. So I'm going to bring out my shifter and my ball wet to shifter this out. This part is very necessary, okay? Make sure that you follow this part. No matter how smooth your blender can crush this, if you do not strain this, it's going to leave residues on your hair and you will not like that. You'll be spending a lot of hours in the bathroom to rinse it out. So try to strain this out, okay, for you not to go through that stress. So after straining it, this is what can stuck on my hair if I do not follow this part. Do you see why I say you should follow this part? Next thing now, I put in my oil. Use any oil of your choice, any of your hair growth oil. Add 2 tablespoons of the oil, okay? So I'm going to mix it very well to make sure that everything blend each other very well. After mixing it, you know, this hair mask is so liquid. I'll transfer it into this applicator bottle for easy application so that I will not do a lot of mess, okay? After then, I'll cover it. How to apply this product best results. Use this product on a fresh wash hair. Do not apply this product on a dirty hair for you to get best results. This is a deep condition, okay? Hair mask deep condition. So use it on a fresh hair. So this is how the product is look like. I already transfer it into this container for easy application. But if you want yours to be more thicker, you can add any of deep condition or any of conditioner of your choice to make it more thicker, but I don't want to add it extra something, okay? This deep conditioner will moisturize your hair and repair your damaged hair. Apply this on the scalp and also on the strands of your hair. If you have any problem area that you want to repair, please concentrate on that particular place. You're going to see a great result. Using this hair mask will help you to repair your damaged hair, moisturize your hair, grow your hair super longer and thicker, okay? Use this all over your hair, hydrate all over your hair, and give yourself a gentle scalp massage. Use this hair mask every week for best results. Okay, storage, do not store this hair mask. Prepare the one that you can use for one use, and anyone that remains, make sure that you use it. Okay, don't store this hair mask. Okay, working in session will also help you to make sure that you saturate this hair mask all over your hair, and also it make sure that your hair coats this hair mask very well for you to get that best result. Concentrate also, apply it on the ends of your hair. You know, ends of our hair is where the hair damage. Okay, things that cause hair damage are heat, leaving your hair out, and also dryness. Dryness can cause hair damage. If your hair is always dry, it can lead to hair damage. If you're always using heat to style your hair, or you always use heat to straighten out your hair, it can also lead to damage. Or you always leave your hair to dry without too moisturizing your hair, it can also lead to damage. Or using chemicals on your hair, it can also lead to hair damage. And also keeping your hair out without you packing up your hair, without you taking care of your hair, it can also lead to damage. So these are some things that can lead to damage. Okay, so try to avoid that for your hair not to get damaged. Okay, after applying this on my hair, make sure that I give myself a gentle scalp massage. So I'm trying to make sure that I use all the product, because I'm not going to store this product. Okay, I'm trying to apply all the product on my hair. Any parts I know that my hair have not coated, I'll apply it very well all over the hair. But make sure whenever I use this product on your hair, give yourself a gentle scalp massage. As you can see, my hair have consumed all the products. So at this point now, I use my cellophane to cover my hair to allow it to throw some heat. Allow this on your hair for 1 hour. Okay, do not leave it less than 1 hour for you to get best results. So after 1 hour later, I'm in the bathroom now to rinse it out of my hair. My hair have really absorbed this very well. My hair have absorbed this product very well. So I'm going to rinse it out, and it's very easy to rinse out. If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not make it your last. Join this brave family by subscribing, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. In the channel, I teach how to grow your hair with DIY home remedies without to break the bank. So if you sound like what I'm interested in, please subscribe. Okay, my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you a lot. So if you have not liked this video up to this point, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps YouTube to put the video to more audience, and also it helps the growth of the channel. And share this video to your family and friends, maybe help 1 or 2 person out there. After raising this deep condition on my hair, I'm going to use this t-shirt to dry off my hair for you to see how my hair look like. Guys, my hair looks so moisturized, my hair still looks so hydrated. Using this hair mask on your hair, you never regret it. Honestly, this hair mask is a must try. If you really want to repair your damaged hair, give this hair mask a try, and you're going to see a great result on it. And also, if your hair is coarse, this hair mask will help your hair to soften up your hair. And if you are breaking your hair excessive, it also help, and also it help to control frizz on your hair. So I hope this video is very interesting to you. I hope you learn 1 or 2 things on today's video. We are come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.